Morning, guys. Today we are on our way to Bantayan again, and we're gonna check out today here in Holiday Spa here in the city, and then we're gonna be in Bantayan for I think for the next 4 or 5 days, and then we come back to the city again, and then yeah, maybe spend 3 days in the city with the family, and then go back to Denmark.
Hi. Go home. Enjoy your day.
Sir, ma'am, basi ka na ikuan ma'am ba lang to mo na kuan ay lang mo tawag lain.
Oh, nakoy number ni kontakon ti ka kuya.
Maka save mo ma'am ba?
Oh.
What was that? That was our tricycle driver going home. Just arrived. So this newly renovated place in Bantayan. So let's take a look at it.
The problem here, you don't have like that. I know they gotta sit, but I'm fine.
It's a small room. It's a small room. There is an open cabinet. Most important, there is an aircon. Not the biggest bed. Not the biggest bed, but we'll manage. Maybe the wife got to sleep on the floor, but they got swans. And the mirror. Nice toilet. Hot and cold shower, and it's clean. It's newly renovated. It's nice, but that's not the best thing. Look at the water. It's right on the beachfront. Low tide right now, but right on the beachfront. So later. Give it away, give it away, give it away now. We now arrived to this. Can I have that cocktail? We now arrived to this. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. Let's zoom in.
I'm happy we went here.
Okay, that we cannot see. Doesn't matter. How to delete when you.
Ito yung food ko, guys. It's 189 combo meal siya. So may noodles na, may fish, may rice, tapos yung drink ko, Martin's drink, tapos yun yung food niya.
Så jeg ringer til dig, når vi har spist. Jeg ringer. I ordered it from your phone, so that's probably, I know, some salt and pepper, salt.
That's the salt here. Pepper.
so full right now. Oi. This shirt. Oh, mango float. And a wife on her phone. Oh, mango float.